In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete contacts who hard bounced on a marketing email. Hard bounces usually mean an email address is invalid or cannot receive mail, and continuing to send to those addresses can hurt your email deliverability. Cleaning them out is a simple maintenance task that helps keep your marketing list healthy and your reports more accurate. To begin, go to your main navigation and open Marketing. Then choose Email. This is where you can access the tools that manage email performance and audience actions. Next, look to the top right and click Email Tools. From that menu, select the option to create a segment of hard-bounced contacts. This step is important because it automatically gathers the contacts who have hard bounced, so you are not searching one by one. It also helps you avoid deleting the wrong people, since the segment is built from bounce status data. Now you will name the segment. Use a clear name that you will recognize later, such as a label that includes hard bounced and a date. Clear naming helps if you need to confirm what was deleted or repeat the cleanup on a schedule. After you name it, click Save Segment. Give the system a moment to process the segment. Once it is ready and the results load, you will select the contacts for deletion. Start by clicking the checkbox in the header row at the top of the list. That selects the contacts currently shown on the page. Then, look for the option that lets you select all contacts in the segment, and choose Select All Contacts. This ensures you are including every hard-bounced contact, not only the ones visible on the first page. With all contacts selected, click the More drop-down, and then click Delete. Take a brief moment to confirm you are deleting the intended group, because deletion is typically permanent and cannot always be undone. After the deletion completes, your list will be cleaner, and future sends will avoid those hard-bounced addresses. And that covers everything you need to know.